Next is the loss due to the relaxation of the stresses in the steel. Due to creep, there will be a loss of the stresses in the steel. When the steel is stresses is more than the half of its yield stress, there will be creep in the steel, and the forces of the pre-stress which falls in the results of the creep in the steel, then there is a loss of the pre-stress. The percentage of the creeps varies from 1 percentage to 5 percentage. The creep in the steel is termed as known as the relaxation of the steel. The relaxation loss may be estimated as if the initial stress is zero point 0.5 times of initial stress, there will be no relaxation loss. If it is 0.6 60 percentage of the initial stress, there will be relaxation loss of 35 newton per mm square. Okay, for 0.6 of fp, the relaxation loss will be around 35 newton per mm square. If it is the initial stress is 0.7 times of initial stress, there will be relaxation loss of 70. Okay, so if it is the initial stress is around the 0.8 times of 0.8 to fp, fp is known as the initial stresses. Okay, so the relaxation loss will be 90 newton per mm square. So the percentage varies from 1 percentage to 5 percentage. There will be several reason for this. Okay, so if you see the relaxation of the steel, in this there is a decrease in the steel as a result of the creep within the steel, which undergoes the prolonged strain. So there may be due to the decrease and for the decrease in the stresses in the steel as a result of the decrease in the strain of the steel, that is also which is resulted in the shrinkage and the creep of the shrinkage and the creep of the concrete in the pre-stress concrete unit. Okay, that is for the relaxation of the steel. In this, if you that is for the relaxation of the steel. What is about the relaxation of the concrete? In this, the stress relaxation is observed decrease in the stress in the response of the strain which is being generated in the structure. The amount of the relaxation which takes place is it is a function of the time, temperature, and the stress level. Thus the actually it will affect the systematic in the precise known level. Okay, so that's about the relaxation of the steel and the concrete. See here, in this, the whatever the relaxation of the steel that can is existed between the both pre-tensioning as well as the post-tensioning. The creep and the shrinkage of the concrete can occur both in the pre-tensioning structures as well as the post-tensioning structures. The friction loss will be occurred only in the post-tensioning. It will not occur in the pre-tensioning structures. Okay, and the anchorage slip will be occurs in the only the post-tensioning structures. It will not occur in the pre-tensioning structures. So this is about the different types of the losses which occurred in the post-tensioning and the pre-tension. So if you see here, the range of the characteristic. If you see the whatever the percentage of the losses of the pre-stress for the pre-tensioning and the post-tensioning, and for the normal relaxation and for the low relaxation according to BS standards, it is given in this table. Okay, so this you can refer in the Indian Standard Code IS 1343. So while solving the problems, I will use this table, and we will solve the problems on the losses of the steel, on the losses of the stresses in the due to the relaxation of the steel. Okay, so that's about the only the about the introduction about the losses of the pre-stress due to the relaxation of the losses of the stresses due to the relaxation of the steel.